the mathematician who conquered Wall Street in the bustling streets of 1980s New York, where stock prices flickered like Christmas lights, a young mathematician named Simon Reed was about to transform the world of trading forever. Armed with a PhD in mathematics and an insatiable curiosity, Simon had spent years buried in academia, fascinated by complex equations and abstract theories. While others saw the stock market as a place driven by whims and hunches, Simon saw it as something entirely different, a complex, chaotic system ripe for mathematical analysis. One crisp winter's day, Simon stumbled across the concept of statistical arbitrage, a strategy exploiting pricing inefficiencies between related financial instruments. His academic background enabled him to see patterns where others saw noise. Simon believed that, equipped with the right algorithms, he could predict market movements with astonishing accuracy. Skeptical colleagues dismissed his ideas as the fantasies of an overzealous theoretician, but Simon was undeterred. His breakthrough came in the form of an ingenious piece of software, a proprietary algorithm that could analyze vast amounts of market data in real time. This software could identify fleeting opportunities for profit that existed for mere seconds. With a small loan and his algorithm ready to deploy, Simon started his trading firm, Quantum Investments, in a modest office on Wall Street. The early days were grueling. Simon and his small team of programmers often worked around the clock, refining algorithms and debugging software. But their hard work quickly paid off. Within months, Quantum Investments was outperforming even the most seasoned traders. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, Simon's little firm was the envy of Wall Street. As his wealth and reputation grew, Simon never forgot his roots or his love for mathematics. He poured much of his fortune into educational programs and scholarships aimed at nurturing the next generation of quantitative analysts. The skeptical colleagues who had once dismissed him now wanted to learn from him, and Simon welcomed them with open arms. Today, Simon Reed is celebrated as a pioneer who bridged the gap between the abstract world of mathematics and the high-stakes arena of financial trading. The mathematics of beating the odds in the bustling city of Chicago during the 1950s, a young mathematics professor named Ed Thorpe was turning heads. Ed was not your typical academic, he was on a mission to crack the code of the universe in ways no one had imagined. His curiosity about game theory and probability led him to investigate the world of gambling, particularly blackjack. Thorpe's keen interest saw him poring over strategies and mathematical models. He realized that the game could be beaten with a logical system of card counting. Equipped with his refined strategy and the simplistic tools of the time, a chalkboard and immense patience, he developed the first scientific system to crack blackjack's code. Las Vegas was the stage for his first real-world application, and he thrived. Casinos soon took notice of this young professor who seemed to win just a little too often. It wasn't long before they began to ban him from playing. However, Thorpe's ingenuity did not stop. He documented his methods in the book, Beat the Dealer, which became a bestseller and transformed blackjack strategies forever. The book was a testament to his belief in the power of mathematics and its practical applications. With his success in blackjack, Thorpe turned his attention to a larger game, Wall Street. The stock market, with its volatility and complexity, presented a challenge that thrilled his mathematical mind. Applying the same rigorous scientific methods, Thorpe began to develop hedge fund strategies that closely resembled today's algorithmic trading. Ed Thorpe was a pioneer, venturing into the financial markets at a time when technology was primitive compared to today's standards. Yet, his formulas for option pricing and his strategies for statistical arbitrage were groundbreaking. His work contributed to the development of the Black-Scholes model, a pioneering concept in financial economics. Ed Thorpe's story is one of relentless curiosity and innovation. His journey from the chalkboards of academia to the blackjack tables of Vegas, and finally to the skyscrapers of Wall Street, is an inspiring tale of how one man used the power of mathematics to beat the odds, quite literally. Along the way, he became a legend, not just in the academic world but also in the industries he so expertly navigated. His legacy continues to influence modern mathematics, finance, and gaming strategies.